Welcome back!
Welcome back, Fly Vegans, back with another video. Today we're making mirlitons.
Stuffed vegan mirlitons.
I want to start by cutting the mirliton in half and boiling them in some water until they're fork tender. Add some Cajun seasoning while they boil. I want to chop some red onion and celery along with some fresh parsley. Add some vegan butter to a hot pan. Now put in your onion, the celery, parsley. I'm going to throw in some frozen bell peppers because that's what I have at the moment. Saute the veggies for 10 minutes until they caramelize. Add your better than bouillon. I'm adding some vegan king prawns to this recipe. They're pretty big, so I'm going to cut them into smaller pieces so they'll be bite sizes in the stuffing. I get these from an Asian market in Atlanta, or I'll get them from Loving Hut, which is a restaurant here. They sell them to the public. Okay, now I'm going to add some Cajun seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, and some Italian breadcrumbs. Combine the ingredients and turn off the heat. Remove your mirlitons from the boiling water. Insert a spoon to remove the seeds in the middle. After you remove the seed, take out most of the flesh to make room for the stuffing. We're going to take the flesh and put it to the side. If you're interested in other vegan YouTubers, make sure you go and check out Jessica J. I'll put a link to her channel in the comments. Okay, the next step, we're going to mash this up into smaller pieces. I'm just going to use a fork. You can use a potato masher as well. A lot of water comes out as you mash it, so what I do is just pour that off and pour the rest into the stuffing mixture. And make sure everything is combined. Then stuff each mirliton half. Stuff it as full as you like. I like a lot of stuffing, as you can see. I place them in the oven on 350 for about 40 minutes.
Oh, let me see.
And this is your end result. I just take some chopped parsley and garnish it. These are delicious. You guys should try it.
Oh snap, Fly Vegan, this about to be good.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share it with a friend. And don't forget
To subscribe.